Panakam. What snack are you selling? Is it bel puri or what is it?
Bel puri,
Bel puri?
peanut mix.
Peanut mix. Okay. How much for one bel puri?
40.
Well, can I do one bel puri? Thank you. Bel puri have peanut.
Yes.
Okay, all mixed.
All are mixed.
All are mixed together. Okay, nice. So here she's gonna mix up all the little snacks inside. She has all of these out front, different types, made from different things. Tomato,
Tomato,
onion,
carrot,
carrot,
coriander,
coriander.
and the mixture.
What is this one? Mixture. Mixture. Okay. This one?
Masala.
Masala. Is this chili powder?
Chili powder and salt.
Okay. Is it
Garam
Kashmiri?
masala.
Garam
Kashmiri,
masala.
yeah.
Kashmiri, yeah.
And then lemon.
Okay. Mix it all up.
All are mixed.
Nice. Welcome. How are you?
She's my mom.
Mom. Okay, mom, daughter.
Yes.
Yeah, look same. This is your stall?
Yeah?
Your stall?
Yes, yes.
How many years?
Just 2 months.
Oh, short. Very short. But it's good? Going good?
Yeah.
Good.
Where are you from?
USA.
USA.
USA. Am I the first foreigner to eat here?
What?
First foreigner I eat here? First foreigner?
Yes, yes.
Okay, lucky. Oh, it's big fat. Okay, Nandri.
Thank you.
What do you say for like sister? I know you say Anna for brother. What do you say for sister?
Tangachi.
Tangachi. For younger sister.
Yeah.
Okay, Tangachi. Okay. Nandri Tangachi.
Nandri Anna.
Is correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's try this. Could you be camera woman? Is that okay?
Okay.
Do you mind? Okay. Try this. What's your name?
Masala puri.
Your name?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay. Same like vanilla ice cream.
Yes.
Okay, vanilla is bel puri. Oh, nice.
Thank you.
That's very good. Are you a student?
Yes.
What
College
grade?
student.
College student. What are you studying?
Become general.
Vidcom?
General.
Gender. Oh, nice. Very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you. Yeah, this for you. You keep it, okay. No. It's okay. You are working hard. No problem. It's okay. You're working very late, working hard. It's okay. Vanilla, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. No problem. Nandri. Tangachi. Tangachi. Okay, Nandri Tangachi. Thank you.
Come next time.
I will come. Thank you. Thank you. Man, what a sweet young girl. Vanilla. Sweet as vanilla ice cream. I love spreading the love around here, helping people out. Just so many young kids out here doing business, which is so good. Oh man, traffic jam. What else is in this bel puri? The tomato. It's a very, very light flavor on the bel puri here. Not nearly as strong as like Mumbai, for example, where they put a ton of spices in. This one doesn't really have that many. It's pretty light on the flavor, so it's pretty good though. You just get the natural flavor of everything, you know? That was very good. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna head back. I'm not too full right now, and I wanna keep it that way. I don't wanna be crazy full for tomorrow. Beautiful pink building. I don't want to stuff myself and be dead and not be able to eat tomorrow. So I think we're going to call it a night. That was Marina Beach. Hope you enjoyed it. Super nice people. Fun evening. Good start to tonight.